Hey everyone, it's Luke from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. Today we're going to take a look at the Remtronix aftermarket onset antenna for police scanner radios, as they just released a few new ones. So these are the two that are out now. The BNC adapter, which is going to stay exactly the same, as well as the SMA, and then the two new versions of the SMA. So we'll set the BNC aside since this one is not changing at all. And then we have the three versions of the SMA. The only difference between these three is just the connection type. So while they're all the SMA, this one has a bigger lip. This one they sanded down, and this one has the O-ring. So we'll take a look at them here. So again, they're all the SMAs. This one's just thicker, so you can see this one's sanded down a little bit. And this one's sanded down with the O-ring here. So this is the older version. So why did they do this? Specifically to fit the most popular scanner right now, the SDS100. So this has an SMA connection, and the antenna that comes with it, while waterproof, is not the strongest. So most people buy the aftermarket antenna. This is the one that comes with it. So the old version with the Remtronix here, with this bigger lip, I mean, it still screws on here, but the lip of this is larger, so the connection points cannot connect, or at best it's intermittent. So it's supposed to the SMA to the SMA. We were selling the BNC with the adapter. So Remtronix has been working, and now they have two different versions. So they sanded it down so it can go flush and connect with the pins. And it goes all the way down. So this is the 810S without the O-ring, and the 820S with the O-ring. As you can see, they both go flush. You can see basically the same. So that's it. We'll continue to sell the BNC separately, but as for the SMA, this one we're no longer going to offer, but we are going to offer with the O-ring and without the O-ring. We just want to do a quick video to show you what the difference is. We would recommend with the O-ring. It gives a little tighter fit here, because why not? If it's the same price, you might as well grab it. So that's it. We thought we'd give you a quick overview, as I know it's going to come up a lot with questions. Again, this is Luke with Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. If you have any questions, give us a call at 737-777-9876. We're open 7 days a week, or email us at zip@zipscanners. Thank you.